Wait, don't scroll away. You're in the right channel. It's Auntie Shine Daily, your Filipino channel companion. And I wasn't chanting for world domination, maybe just a bit for YouTube domination. Anyways, magandang araw. Kumusta ka ngayon, viewer? How are you today? Today, we're going to focus on the basic pronunciations of Tagalog or Filipino. And that is why I was chanting my abakada. Yep, it's just abakada, and I just added some mystery music behind it. But before we dive into the Filipino alphabet, let's quickly discuss why it is important for you to learn the basic pronunciations in the beginning. First off, it gives you boosted confidence knowing that you can express yourself clearly, especially when speaking. You will be more confident to speak out loud and practice Tagalog. Second, when you sound more like a native speaker, you feel more connected to the community and its traditions. It's like extra pogi or ganda points for you. Pogi points or ganda points in Tagalog means brownie points. Do you agree or disagree? Comment down below. Third, learning pronunciations, of course, involves memorizing the sounds, stress patterns, and intonations. This cognitive effort alone helps strengthen your memory, leading to overall better language retention. Number four is you enhance your ability to understand spoken language. It improves your listening skills. It makes easier for you to follow conversations that hopefully next time you're in a Filipino gathering, you'll be in the center of a tagay session and sharing stories and jokes in Filipino. Also, learning pronunciation exposes you to the musicality of the language. I think Tagalog has a beautiful rhythm, and appreciating the unique sounds and tones is quite a bonus to your language experience. Overall, mastering pronunciations is an essential aspect of learning a language. It opens doors to effective communication, cultural immersion, and personal growth. Did someone say, oh, please start it already? I heard you. So, where do we start with our Tagalog pronunciations? Let's lay down some of the basic pronunciation rules in Tagalog. Rule number one, Tagalog words are pronounced just as it is spelled. There are no silent letters, unlike in English or French. So it's quite easy or easier. Rule number two, be aware that Tagalog vowels are generally short but more open than English. And we will get to this in a bit. Rule number three, practice, practice, practice. Chant the alphabet while showering if you must. Now that we have laid down the basic rules, let's dive in. The modern Filipino alphabet has 28 letters. Prior to this, there was the abakada with 20 letters. The 8 newer letters in the modern Filipino alphabet are consonants that sound quite similar to English. So today, we are going to focus on the 20 letters. If you have watched my earlier video about the history of the Filipino language, you would remember that I already mentioned what abakada is and how it was created. To those who haven't watched the video, I'll put the link in the description below so you can watch it later. To recap, abakada is the official alphabet of the Tagalog language, not the Filipino language. It has 20 letters, 5 of which are vowels, and the remaining 15 are consonants. When I was in first grade, I remember spending months reciting abakada. So don't skip practicing this as well because remember, Tagalog is the basis of Filipino language. Plus, remember rule number three, practice, practice, practice. Now let's look at the 5 vowels. They're actually similar to the English vowels but are pronounced a bit differently. We have, as you already know, A, E, I, O, U. How do we read them in Tagalog? Are you ready to read aloud with me? Let's start. Magsimula na tayo. We read letter A as A. It's like art in English. It's a short sound but open, like maganda, mabuti, masaya, ah. Make sure to pronounce it with an open sound. Ah. Open your mouth. Ah. Let's move to letter E. E is pronounced like in the English elephant. Eh. It's a short sound eh. And what my first grade teacher described is soft. Eh. Aeroplano. Now is the letter I. I is pronounced just like in igloo. A short sound I. Or again, my first grade teacher described it as a hard E. 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 Ikaw. Ikaw, kumusta na? E. Letter O is pronounced like in onion, short O sound. O. O. Oras. O. O. Letter U is pronounced like in the English tool. Oo. Again, my first grade teacher described it as a hard O. Oo. Oo. Like in ulam. Oo. Now you know how to pronounce the vowels. Just a note, I think for most English speakers, the most common mistake is in pronouncing letter A and U, just as in English. A is short and more open than in English. Let us try one more time. A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Be aware that Tagalog vowels are generally short. Unlike some long vowel sounds in English, we don't lengthen our words in Tagalog. Instead, we use stress and intonations. These are things that we will learn as we go along. It is important to practice the correct pronunciation of each vowel sound to ensure clarity in speaking Tagalog. You can keep practicing on the 5 vowels by pausing this video, or you can go back to it later. Meanwhile, let's proceed to the consonants. Some consonant sounds in Tagalog are similar to English, while others may sound a bit more practiced to master. Here are the 15 consonants: B, K, D, G, H, L, M, N, nung, P, R, S, T, W, and Y. The consonant sounds are usually referred to with a vowel A appended to each letter so that it is easy to pronounce, just like letter B is pronounced as ba, and the nang consonant is pronounced as nang. So let's try to read it again. Ba, ka, da, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nga, pa, ra, sa, ta, wa, ya. One more time. Ba, ka, da, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nga, pa, ra, sa, ta, wa, ya. What I was chanting in the beginning of the video is the whole abakada with the vowels and consonants together. It goes like this. Abakada, ega, hala, mana, nga, para, sa, ta, uwaya. One more time. Abakada, ega, hala, mana, nga, para, sa, ta, uwaya. You can do it a bit slower, like a, ba, ka, da, e, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nga, pa, ra, sa, ta, o, wa, ya. If you have been paying attention, you notice that I skipped the letters I and O. It is because this is how I was taught at school. The letters E and I are grouped together as they're very similar. In this case, I only recited the letter E, and the same goes with O and U. I only recited letter U. But if you want, you can pronounce it and add the I and the O. You can add the I after the H and the O before the P. So it would go something like this. A, ba, ka, da, e, ga, ha, I, la, ma, na, nga, o, pa, ra, sa, ta, u, wa, ya. Let's discuss a bit more detail on the nang sound. It's okay if you didn't get it right away. The pronunciation of this consonant can be very difficult for foreigners, particularly when it appears on the beginning of the word, like nga, ngayon, today. To produce the nang sound, try to do this. Push your tongue back and up, making sure the back part of your tongue is curled and almost touches the molar and the roof of your mouth to produce a nasal sound. Then add the vowel after it. Nga, nga. Try it again. Push your tongue back and up. Make sure that the back part of your tongue is curled and almost touches the roof of your mouth and produce a nasal sound. Nga, nga, nga. Another Tagalog consonants that may pose some difficulty for beginners is the consonant R. Unlike the English R, where the tongue does not touch the side of your mouth, the Tagalog R is produced by quickly tapping the tip of your tongue on the gum ridge behind the upper teeth. Much like the Spanish, but it's not rolled or trilled. I think the Indonesian speakers won't have a problem with this. Let's try to pronounce the abakada again. A, ba, ka, da. E, ga, ha. La, ma, na, nga. Pa, ra, sa, ta, o, wa, ya. Now you're getting the hang of it. This time, we try the consonants with the other vowel combinations. Letter B, it's ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Letter K, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. If you're Japanese or have learned Japanese before, this seems similar, right? Let's continue. Letter D, da, de, di, do, du. Letter G, ga, ge, gi, go, gu. H, ha, he, hi, ho, hu. L, la, le, li, lo, lu. M, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. N, na, ne, ni, no, nu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. One more time for nang. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Letter P, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. The R now. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. S, sa, se, si, so, su. Letter T, ta, te, ti, to, tu. W, wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Y, ya, ye, I, yo, you. Congratulations, you've gotten this far. Are these sounds quite similar to your native language or very difficult? Well, comment down below what you think. For our next pronunciation video, we will focus on the remaining 8 consonants. For now, I will leave you with my version of abakada. I hope you enjoy this better than my intro chanting. Abakada ega halamana na para sa tauwaya. Abakada ega halamana na para sa tauwaya. Abakada ega halamana na para sa abakada ega halamana na para sa tauwaya. Like and subscribe sa ulitin.